guys? Is me, Ravon. Now today, we're at a Foamwork Car Wash Auto Spa. Look, as you can see, look, there's a long trail, and look, that car is going inside of the car wash. Look, and it's a line. Look. And look, this is the gate. And it opened. Look. Oh, look. Oh, look. It's the sprinkles. They're spraying our car, washing it. Look. Oh, that's soap, and it's the color pink. Look. And that's the scrubber. Look, it's the scrubber. Look, see, these are scrubbers. Look. Oh, look, those are the scrubbers, and they look like monsters. Look in the front. Look, it's again scrubbing. So we made it outside of the car wash, and these are the vacuum cleaners. We clean our cars. Look. Oh, and look, they're right by the building also. So